Have you ever wondered how a casual YouTube viewer can turn into an actual client or a paying customer? Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how by using a funnel. And I'm going to be going through my YouTube funnel step by step as an example. If you're new here, hi, my name is Catara. I'm a video editor and a YouTube strategist. I help business owners make more sales by building a personal brand on YouTube. So, what is a funnel? A funnel is a marketing concept that describes the journey of a potential client or customer from initially becoming aware of the product or service or the person to actually buying. The funnel metaphor is used because just like a funnel, a lot of things may come in at the top, but only a few make it down all the way to the bottom. So every person that comes through your funnel will likely go through 1 to 3 stages of awareness. So 1, cold audience, they are unaware, so people who know absolutely nothing about you or your services. 2 is the warm audience. They are problem aware, so they may not know you, but they know that they have a problem and they are actively looking for solutions. And number 3 is a hot audience. So solution aware. They most likely know about the problem, they know about you, they just need that final push to, actually make that move to convert into an actual paying client or customer. Understanding awareness is important because it allows you to sort of actually hone in your content to figure out who you actually want to talk to and what stage your audience is at in their decision-making process. By the way, if you have any questions, comment it down below. Now, back to the concept of an actual funnel. It's divided into 3 separate stages. So the top of the funnel is usually called tofu, middle, mofu, and bottom is bofu. And each stage focuses on a different type of content. So putting everything together that I just explained, tofu is about attracting the cold audience with broad and engaging content. This type of content a lot of people can relate to. This may be beginner content. And with this content, the goal is to basically attract as many people as you can. A good example of this type of content on my channel would be how to start a YouTube channel or how uploading YouTube videos for 20 days changed my new channel. And a few reasons why is 1, because it attracted a large audience, and 2, a lot of people could relate to what I was talking about. And 3, that content was highly shareable, which I can see by looking at my analytics. Mofu nurtures the audience by providing more detailed and solution-oriented content for the warm audience, basically. And the purpose of that is to nurture and educate people who are interested in your products or services. So a good example of this would be my whole outsourcing or how to outsource video editing masterclass content series that I have on my channel. Or my how to get clients on YouTube series where I talk about how to get more leads and clients with YouTube. I answer a lot of frequently asked questions with that content. And bofu is where you sort of convert that hot audience ready to buy people with persuasive content that encourages them to take action or convert interested people to actually buy. So this would be testimonial videos, sales letters, posting on the community tab about your offers for, using YouTube as an example. A good example of this specific type of content would be my work with me section all the way at the bottom of my YouTube channel. Now, in order for your funnel to work, you're going to need a lot of traffic and consistent traffic and a constant stream of eyeballs on your content. New people. Now, I have about 3 to 5 streams of traffic coming from different places, but I start off with YouTube as my number 1 because all I have to do is post 1 video a week and it's evergreen content. So that's essentially doing all the work for me. And I found it to be the easiest way to get in front of new people without actually individually going out, networking, and talking to people, which networking is like another stream of traffic for me. Now, to explain how to convert a casual viewer into a buyer, I'm going to show you my YouTube funnel. Okay, so this is my sort of traffic lead generation YouTube funnel right here. Now, there are about 4 to 5 other places where I do traffic and lead generation as well. If you guys want to know about that, let me know. But today we're specifically just focusing on YouTube and the specific YouTube funnel, okay? So, of course, the top of the funnel would be traffic and lead generation. So that's like social media content. Now, for the most part, I am mainly active right now on YouTube, sometimes Instagram stories, And I have LinkedIn on here, but I'm not really posting on there. So the main one right now is literally just YouTube mixed with some of the other ones down below. So from there is then sort of like a lead capture. So from someone watching a YouTube video, I usually have call to actions at the end of my videos. So from there, they can either do a few things. So they can either do a workshop sign up, which I don't do many of these, but I've probably done like 2 or 3. So they can either do a workshop sign up. I promote those on my community tab, or sometimes I promote them in my video, but mostly on the community tab. They can download a lead magnet, so that's right down below in the description box. I have one main lead magnet right now. It's called the Power of Video, and it's basically a checklist of every single thing to go through while you're recording your video content. The next thing is newsletter sign up. So that is another way they can literally just enter their information into my newsletter sign up, sort of like lead page. Another thing is they can like literally directly purchase one of my digital products. Like that is also an option. And then another thing is discovery call. So if you watched my other video on how I automate my business, basically if they come through any of these, they all get put into my newsletter, no matter where they come from. And there's also like a checkbox on every single one of these lead pages that, gives me consent that I can actually reach out to them. The next thing is email sequences. So all of these people automatically get put into my newsletter. It's a simple one newsletter a week sort of like thing where I literally just email like my YouTube video out for the week. And then like I'll put at the bottom like a service spotlight. So I'll promote either video editing services or something. And then also they get to know about any services that I'm offering, any workshops that's coming up. Basically they get updated on the email list, because that's who it's for. So if they do any of these things from the lead capture, they're immediately going into the weekly newsletter. And if you have any questions about this, I'll let me know down in the below. Yeah, because this is kind of sort of like a new thing for me to actually be like teaching on. So again, if you have comments, questions, comment it down below. So again, so the lead capture. So they're either doing one of these activities and then they're immediately getting put into my weekly newsletter. But if they're in the lead magnet, they might also go through like an email sequence. Or if they download one of my ebooks, they might be put into an email sequence. It's like a 5-day email sequence. It tells them things about me and, 5-day nurtured email sequence, basically. Okay? So that's lead nurturing. That's sort of like what you would consider sort of like the middle of the funnel. And then from there, again, conversion points, they could either do a call, they could book a call directly with me, or it either goes to direct sales. So yeah, this is all the way from the top of the funnel all the way to the sort of like bottom of the funnel. So top of the funnel would be social media content on YouTube and whatever traffic generators I'm using at that time. And then middle of the funnel would be them moving down the funnel. So it'd be like workshop sign up, lead magnet, newsletter, whatever case they come in through. And then middle of the funnel will be like the lead nurturing. And then bottom of the funnel is discovery call, direct sales, them actually buying something. So this is how someone gets from a sort of like just a casual viewer on YouTube all the way to, actually buying something. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about how YouTube can help you grow your business or get more leads and sales, click the link in my description box to book a call.